Welcome everyone to my channel. Please click that subscribe button so that you can see more videos. I'm so sorry to be late for this one, 2018 CSEC physical education. So some of these I'm going to just go through breeze, right? So the main objective of physical education is to the modern Olympic Games have existed since 1896. That's the answer. Oh, like a problem. The main reason for reviving the Olympic Games is to promote world peace. Which two English-speaking Caribbean countries qualified for the FIFA World Cup finals in the last 2 decades? It was Jamaica and Trinidad and Tobago. In which of the following years was the Olympic Games affected by the First World War? C. 1916. Which of the following organizations coordinated and conduct World Cup cricket? The answer is C, ICC cricket. Which of the following body systems manufactures blood cell? The answer is A. Which of the following organs excretes sweat and sebum? The skin. It says A. Which of the following set of blood vessels is in the correct sequence of blood flow from the heart through the body and back to the heart? C. Artery, capillaries, and vein. You're supposed to look on these types of bones, flat, long, irregular. So you're going to say which of the bone is found in the vertebral column? And the answer is 3. So the answer is C. In humans, the biological name for the windpipe is the trachea. B. For this one, you're supposed to look at the diagram and see which one is the abdominal muscle. This is the abdominal muscle. So the answer would be D. D. This is abdominal muscle right here. So it is IV, which is 4. D. Which of the following are controlled by the automatic nervous system? Breathing, heartbeat, running. Breathing and heartbeat. So it is 1 and 2, so it is A. Bones can be classified into groups as short, long, flat, or irregular. To which group do the vertebrae belong? It is irregular. D. A sprint runner is asked to include weight training and plyometric in his or her workout. Which fitness component will this improve? Power. During which part of the training program is emphasis placed on maintaining general fitness and flexibility through active rest? So this would be the off season. So it is B. Aerobics as a physical activity contributes best to endurance. So the answer is B. Which of the following sports-related fitness test measures coordination? Coordination. So it is alternate hand wall throw. Know this one. The answer is alternate hand wall throw. There's coordination. So this diagram show you circuit. You have squat, bench press, leg curl. So you have foot, hand, leg. Right, so you need hands. So the answer is a pull-up. So answer is A. Which of the following methods are used for training in sport? They have skill, circuit, interval. I have never heard about skill as methods of training. Never. I've heard about circuit training, interval, continuous, and so on, but I've never heard about skill. You look it up for yourself. This answer is 2 and 3 only. So the answer is C. Which of the following skill is classified as open? What are open skill? Open skill, you have no control, right? Closed skill is when you have control, usually done inside. Front crawl, forward roll, gymnastic vaulting that have to be closed inside. You can't have no breeze, you cannot have anything at all disturbing. Volleyball spike, you don't know where this ball is coming. So the answer is volleyball spike. Open skill. Look it up. Look up open skill and closed skill for yourself. Nicholas can perform badminton technique almost effortlessly. This skill technique phase is called the autonomous phase. Effortlessly, so it's autonomous phase. Which of the following situations does not contribute to injury prevention? Does not contribute to injury prevention. The answer is A, lacking fitness. In physical education and sport, good reaction time is most important when everybody knows it's starting a 100-meter race. You have to have good reaction time. So the answer is B. You have to look at the diagram of a person with a muscular body. They have strong forearm and thigh and broad shoulders. From you see broad shoulders, this person, you're going to look on this diagram and it says that it has broad shoulders, strong forearm and muscular body. So from you see the broad shoulder especially, you know there's a mesomorph, which is B. I'm not allowed, it's not allowing me to draw. So answer is B. Okay, good. In what direction will the forearm move when the bicep contract? The bicep is in front of the arm, so it's gonna go upwards. A. Carla walks 4 miles every day. Which of the following conditions will she improve the most? Cardiorespiratory fitness. Tennis elbows and cricketer's shoulder are example of which type of injury? Injury is overuse, which is A. If you see me going a little fast, you pause the video and then you read. I want to finish all 45 questions in one video. So which of the following technique is used to treat a sprain or an ankle? Sprain or the ankle? And the answer is RICE. R-I-C-E. In netball games, Mary constantly drops the ball whenever it is passed too quickly to her. How can the coach assist in correcting the problem? What the coach can do is to practice the catching skill more in training. So the answer is C. When performing pull-ups, what type of contraction occur at the bicep? It is isotonic. Answer is B. Which food nutrient is the best choice when attempting carb loading before an activity? Carb loading means carbohydrate, so we need starch. So the answer is B. B. Which of the following food are rich in fiber? Nuts and seeds, legumes and fruit, sugar and sweets. If I see the sugar, you know so that is out. So it's 1 and 2 only. And the answer is A. Binging can impact an athlete's performance because it mainly affects metabolism. That's the answer. Binging is an eating disorder where you eat. Which are the following food groups should an athlete include in his or her diet to prevent constipation? You need fiber. So the answer is A. The body generates ATP from the breakdown of carbohydrate. The answer is D. When a company gives financial aid in return for what? Its name associate in return for having its name associated with an individual, team, or sport, this is known as sponsorship. The answer is B. A lack of iron in the diet can cause anemia. When they say that you're anemic. A footballer needs increased protein intake when? Answer is D, weight training for hypertrophy. Stimulants are used to speed up the nervous system. The answer is A. Athletes competing in major games are randomly tested for drugs to enhance competition, ensure that competition is fair, protect the image of the sport, support drugs company. So it is 1 and 2. So the answer is A. A cricket umpire hears the bowler taunting the batsman. The best action he can take is to pull the bowler aside and ask him to refrain from his discourse. So the answer is B. The following factors is not a consideration when organizing sports organization for young people. You know, based on their ethnic background. So the answer is B. B. Which of the following are likely to discourage sports sponsorship agency? Continual fall in profit of sponsor. That is answer D. What is the name given to an agreement between an athlete and a sponsor? So it's a contract. That is A. That's all for 2018. I hope you will make sure you go over and over and know all the answers so that you will get your 1 in physical education. Good luck, everyone. Bye. Subscribe, tell a friend.